When a child is born, we thank Allah. We want the child to be healthy. I promise you, my beloved brothers and sisters, whether you have a male child or a female child, thank Allah. You never know. The last time I came to Nigeria, I said how many daughters I had. Does anyone remember? Does anyone remember? How many? Someone is saying 6, someone is saying 7. Someone is saying 5. 5 is wrong, mashallah, we upgraded. 6 is wrong, mashallah, we upgraded. 7 is wrong, mashallah, we upgraded. Mashallah. 8 girls. And I'm super excited to mention it here because I am so happy that Allah blessed us with a favor. He says you have girls, you get Jannah. By the way, it doesn't mean you have boys, you go to Jahannam. Can I ask a question in this hall? Last year when I came, I'm quite sure the sisters were this side and the brothers were this side. Am I right? La ilaha illallah. I remember that quite clearly, subhanallah. Be happy with whatever Allah has given you. There are girls, there are girls. There are boys, alhamdulillah. There are boys and girls, alhamdulillah. Neither boy nor girl, Allah knows why. He has saved you from something traumatic, something very big, something you won't be able to cope with, something that He knows. He has saved you from it, wallahi al-azim. How many people have children and they say, I wish I didn't have these kids. Because of the torment that some of them make their parents go through, may Allah forbid and may Allah protect us and our children from that type of behavior. Ameen.
Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters. Hope this video was helpful for you. This may help others too, so please consider sharing, and we will bring more videos in the future inshallah. So consider subscribing and you won't miss any. Jazakallahu khairan.